Discover the best spots. Understanding prime viewing spots. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase you might have come across but found a bit puzzling. Prime viewing spots. Whether you're at a scenic overlook or planning to watch a parade, knowing this phrase can greatly enhance your experiences. So, let's get started and explore what makes some spots truly prime for viewing. First, let's dissect the phrase prime viewing spots into two parts. The word prime refers to something that is of the best possible quality, of top importance, or simply the best. When we say something is prime, we mean it's the top choice, the crème de la crème. Now, add viewing spots to that. These are places or positions from which something can be viewed or observed. So, when combined, prime viewing spots are locations that offer the best possible views or perspectives for observing something of interest. You might wonder why we even need to talk about prime viewing spots. Well, these spots are crucial for fully enjoying visual experiences. Whether you're trying to catch a glimpse of a famous landmark, enjoy a sunset, or watch a public event, being in a prime viewing spot can make all the difference. It's about having an unobstructed view, feeling the atmosphere, and perhaps capturing that perfect photo. In essence, knowing how to find these spots means you're guaranteed the best experience possible. To put it into perspective, let's consider a few examples where prime viewing spots play a key role. Tourist attractions, finding the perfect spot to see the entire skyline from a high vantage point. Concerts or festivals, getting a place where the stage is clearly visible without any obstructions. Natural phenomena, locating the best position to observe a meteor shower or a sunset over the ocean. In each scenario, the prime viewing spot enhances the experience by providing the best visual and emotional impact. So, how do you find these coveted spots? Here are a few tips. Research in advance. Look up the venue or location online to find recommendations for the best views. Arrive early. Prime spots are often taken quickly, especially at popular events. Ask locals. Sometimes, the best advice comes from those who know the area well. Look for higher ground. Elevation can often offer a better overall view. By following these tips, you'll increase your chances of securing that perfect spot. We hope this exploration of prime viewing spots has illuminated why these locations are so sought after and how you can find them in your own adventures. Remember, a prime viewing spot can transform a simple outing into an unforgettable experience. So, the next time you're planning to attend an event or visit a scenic location, keep this phrase in mind. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy viewing, and see you in the next video.